Because
Oh, that works.
we're all experience. We'll be lucky if we get 0.
Oh, wait.
What?
Are you sick and tired of that annoying cough? Now there's help with Cough Be Gone and Die. It cures that ever-present itch in the back of your throat. Ask your doctor if Cough Be Gone and Die is right for you. Cough Be Gone and Die should not be taken with other medications. You should not take Cough Be Gone and Die if you are nursing, pregnant, or may become pregnant. Women should not use this drug due to a specific birth defect known as ugly baby. Possible side effects of Cough Be Gone and Die are high blood pressure, cold sweats, nausea, diarrhea, dizziness when standing up, restless leg syndrome, higher risk for stroke or heart attack, hair loss, rashes, chronic dry mouth, kidney damage, drowsiness, body anorexia, obesity, anger, falling downstairs, seizures, imaginary tooth decay, talking like a pirate, chronic weeping, chronic going emo, and talking loud. Are you ready to take back control of your life and slaughter that annoying cough? Kill it with Cough Be Gone and Die.